Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are again, working on the rusty Mustang. We're making good progress though. Wanted to go over torque boxes with you. This is a torque box from a Mustang. It ties the front chassis rail, which is here, runs right up to your bumper irons, to the inner rocker, which is really your outer chassis rail. That drops in there further forward. So getting these in can be a bit of a bear. They're a tight squeeze, and there's a little trick to it which I'm going to show you. This one I've already prepped. We've got a bunch of holes for plug welds already pre-drilled. Always a good idea. We've given it a little rust treatment on the inside, because that inside here is never going to see the light of day again, hopefully. And so let's head around to the front, because this goes in from the front, from where the wheel is, and show you how a little neat trick to get them in there. Okay, so all of this has to go in this little space here, and it can be challenging. It's hanging up on stuff, it just doesn't want to go in. But what I do is, you can probably see here, we've got a Pt4 across here. Now if you don't have a Pt4, that's okay, you can use a bottle jack, even just a little your car scissor jack will do it. We just want to basically spread this a little, and it's surprising how at the moment when it's not welded together, just how flexible it is. You give it a couple of cranks here and you'll see this coming out. Crank that out about 3/4 of an inch, it'll bounce back. And then this little puppy slips in like that. Really couldn't be a lot easier than that. Let the Pt4 go. Down it comes. And that's locked in there. Now from there we can tap it around, move it, get it exactly where we want it, and start pulling up these plug welds. And it's really as simple as that. Alright, see you on the next one.